is weird. It is 1,000% weird. So it's almost like, oh, what you thought was Jupiter was really me, and we're both fake. Legit. That's what I'm getting out of that, because oh man, some bullshit. Weird. That's Mars. Okay. That means that Jupiter should be right, like there. Yet it's not. Instead, we have what? Jupiter flying back towards us, because I already don't trust this one, let alone that one. But there's Saturn, so Mars would be all over here. I don't know, man. Isn't that sucky? Like, that one just lasts literally one time, okay? One time. Once. But there's a lot of just dumbass flashing lights. So what? That's supposed to be Jupiter way down there now? And what, this big black cloud was just above it? Is that what we got going on? Trying to sell me. I feel like yes. What that is. Oh, well, go figure. Of course, we got some lightning. I'm not looking for it. I think that's Saturn. And I'm trying to decide which way we're going to go. I'm going to say that's Mars. Like, this whole shit is weird. And they're going to have to move it, because there's no way that Mr. Guy with a tree. There's Cassiopeia. What is that? Perseus? Hercules?